Every week, dial *144*8# to recharge your MTN account with 10 Rand airtime or more to stand a chance to win a share of prizes worth up to the value of 8 million Rand. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Welcome to FANS Wethu TV. It's the MTN 8, Mamelodi Sundowns 1, Polokwane City 0. I'm joined by Mwaketi.
Sure, Steve, how's it?
My brother.
All good, my man.
Not.
Yeah.
We won this one game.
The game was just a bit entertaining, my man.
A bit?
Yeah, just a bit. Just imagine coming here the entire 90 minutes, 0-0.
No goals?
Yeah, no intention of to score actually.
Yes.
Still from downs. Yeah, so what I can say is that I came here to support Polokwane City, to be honest with you.
Yes.
Yeah, I came all day to support Polokwane City, but then I've always known that the chances of winning, they're going to be very slim. Yeah,
you knew that?
Yeah, they're going to be very, very slim because of Sundowns is a very, 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 very strong team.
Yes.
Yeah, it's a very strong team, but then the issue is that today, like they could not create many chances. They kept on pressing and pressing and pressing. So you know, if they press and press and press, they are creating many chances. If they don't score themselves, that's where you're going to have an issue of Mamelodi giving them an own goal.
Yes.
Yeah, but then if you can going back to Sundowns, if you can have check the combination Yaga Kote and also Mudau, very, very brilliant, my man. Kote, I love the guy because of he's very, very intelligent on and off the ball.
Yes.
Very intelligent, my man. Also, I wanna go to Ribeiro. The combination Yaga Ribeiro, no Allende.
Yes.
No Marcelo Allende. Yeah.
Yes.
Marcelo very, very comfortable. Like he,
on the football.
Yeah, he makes a beautiful turns.
Yes.
He makes beautiful passes, my man.
Yes.
I love that guy. So yeah, so brilliant on the ball.
Who's your man of the match?
I'll give it to this guy, the goalkeeper of Polokwane City.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll give it to that guy because of the guy made several blocks, my man. Yeah, very, very, very powerful.
Okay, so who's gonna win the MTN 8?
You know, I heard.
You're very biased.
I heard Sundowns fans saying that like they were looking for Pirates.
Yes.
Yeah.
They were.
No. They can't face Pirates. These guys.
Sundowns.
Yeah, no, they can't face Pirates.
I never look.
They like the way they did play today. They can't face Pirates.
How did they play today?
Sundowns, they do play a very good ball,
yes.
Beautiful football.
Yes.
But then today something we've seen today that they lost a bit of shape today. If you can even.
Yes.
Yeah. I'm not sure. Maybe it's from the dressing room or what. But then since the guy left Urulani, I think something is down there.
It's off.
Yeah, something is off, my man. To be honest with you.
Do you think they miss him?
Maybe they do. But then, to be honest with you, they lost shape. They lost shape, and then the way they play today, they cannot face Pirates. They can't face Pirates.
I never look.
No. And then what I can tell you, no, I'm being honest with you. Sundowns plays a very good football.
Yes.
But then the way they play today, they can't face Pirates. Pirates, the momentum is very, very high at the moment. Very, very, very high.
Yes.
So coming back to your question, answering your question, I think Pirates will still win this.
Not Sundowns.
No, not Downs. The guys could not score, my man, today. They could not score. Mamelodi scored for them. You understand?
Yes.
Yeah, like Mamelodi gave them an on goal. Yeah, on goal. Yes. So if they're saying that like they're going to win MTN 8, who's going to score for them? Who's score for them?
Shalulile?
No. They won't win it, man. Pirates will still take it.
I never want to walk in.
No. They won't. They won't win it, Stephen.
Remember, somebody say MTN again.
I'm not using it.
You like a team? I'm
not using it. But then I can buy the SIM card for MTN.
My brother, if you buy the SIM card, just dial *144*8#. Recharge every week with 10 Rand airtime or more.
No, I'll do
to
it.
stand a chance to win a share of 8 million rands.
Tinamakosi, with Vodacom. So, but then I'll buy the SIM card for the sake of.
But you don't stand a chance to win a share of 8 million.
Yes, I'm saying that I'll buy the SIM card for the sake of money. No, Tivo, I'll buy the SIM card.
Thank you very much,
for the money, my man.
Yeah, thank you very much, my brother.